being cast iron, you're going to get a lot of features that come with cast iron. So in addition to it being a known cookware friend, cooking on a cast iron skillet is something that we all have enjoyed, like we said. But you're going to get something that's not going to fail. When you talk about taking a few knocks here and there, when you talk about holding up to the test of time, 3/8 inch thick on the web of this thing is going to be here as long as we're going to be here, and probably much, much longer. So the other thing is, the more you cook on these, the better it's going to taste, because as you cook, every time you put something new on there, you're going to leave a little bit of it behind, and that's going to season and be more and more flavor coming out with every cook that you do going forward. So from the durability standpoint, there's really no way to break this, and from a flavor standpoint, there's no way to beat this.